Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is U.S. Army to test Thor Dynamics laser armor system against drone swarms at DiDEX 25 experiment. The C5 ISR Center has invited Orlando-based Thor Dynamics to take part in its exclusive defense in-depth experiment, DiDEX 25. The event is a field experiment, not a trade show, where top Army scientists validate technologies selected by the Unique Mission Cell, UMC. The announcement follows the downing of 2 Colombian police Black Hawk helicopters by basic drones, highlighting how inexpensive systems can neutralize advanced aircraft. This incident demonstrates a growing vulnerability for civilian security and raises questions for law enforcement about protecting the public. America's rivals are turning to mass production of drones, with Russia on course to build 6,000 Shahed-style systems each year. China's industrial base is capable of producing over 200,000 small drones monthly, creating swarms designed to overwhelm defenses that rely on limited missile and ammunition stockpiles. Seeing the news about the Black Hawks in Colombia was personal. As a former 160th SOAR pilot, my job was to fly those same aircraft into the most dangerous places on Earth, said Justin Sedegian, Director of National Security Growth at Thor Dynamics. A defense that needs to reload is a defense that is guaranteed to fail against a swarm. You cannot win a war of mass with a limited magazine. Thor Dynamics laser armor is designed as a lightweight, man-portable laser system for troops, special operations units, and law enforcement. It delivers a near-limitless magazine at a cost of a penny per shot, with reinforcement learning enabling precise targeting and continuous protection. The DiDEX Defense In-Depth Experiment invitation signals Army interest in addressing this emerging threat and builds on Thor Dynamics' recent recognition by U.S. Special Operations Command and the Army's X-Tech Overwatch program. These endorsements underline the company's position as a leading innovator in countering drone swarm warfare. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.